How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Elite Tech Media Alternative. Okay, so it's been a busy day. So many things are happening. The news is flooded with CES 2016 latest hardware. For the first time in history, no, actually not in history, but for the second time, EVGA has released a computer case. So they reckon that this case is actually specializes in GPU cooling, right? So it's gonna be able to cool your graphic card. Okay, so let's read this article. They reckon it's a beast, full tower, beauty of a case. It looks nice. It looks like very Alienware. I like how it's got. I think it's temperature sensor here. This lights up blue. Hopefully you can change the colors. When EVGA decided to do something new, it sure doesn't mess around. The company exploded into a laptop scene at CES 2016 with a sleek, powerful 4K gaming laptop, which you're gonna cover in the next video. But it wasn't only. But there wasn't the only trick up the sleeves. Meet the EVGA full tower gaming case, hulking chassis designed to eliminate some of the biggest frustrations in a gamer's life. I wonder what those are. The first thing you notice, looking at the EVGA case, is still in early development life cycle. It's big, like really big enough to put 4 graphic cards and liquid cooling system in there, kind of big. But the second thing you notice is that all the case ports and the buttons are on the left side, underneath, which is here. There is no coincidence. EVGA says, and he agreed, that many PC gamers actually turn the system on sideways, so that all the beautiful hardware inside it is on the full display, making ports and bottoms on the front of the case particularly theory, but a headache in practice. Placing the buttons on the side of the case under the window eliminates the gamer specific headache. It's not really a headache for me, but what do you do? And I got the 900D case. Actually, they have a new cool as well. We're gonna cover in the video. Likewise, nobody enjoys fiddling with screws when they're just trying to swap out some hardware. Thumb screws are the big improvement over traditional screws, but they are still screws. Not on the EVGA case though. This chassis has a large buttons that push on top, open the front and rear sides, providing easy access to the interior. Again, another headache solved. Okay, the Corsair has done this in the last 3-4 cases, including 900D that I have. Just press the button, pops up, and boom. So this is really nothing really new. Finally, the case was built for gamers, and gamers demand cool temperatures. EVGA case was designed with maximum airflow in mind, going so far as to have a massive mohawk-like row of black fins running the length of the case. There are large gaps between each fin to let the airflow through out system cleanly. EVGA says that between the feature and the case layout is seeing temperature around 6 degrees cooler in the chassis in traditional cases during the company internal testing. So is this the back here or the front? I don't understand. Let's read this through again. Is the maximum airflow going so far as the maximum? So I think it's all around length of the case. That sounds pretty damn impressive, but we have to wait and see if those lofty cooling claims hold true. EVGA case is still in the early stages of development, and the company won't commit to launch beyond 2016. It will have one extra nicety when it does go live. The grey plastic areas you see in the case in the pictures and videos above will be aluminium in the final design, which is kind of good. Aluminium, not the fucking plastic bullshit that make the case look cheap. I'm actually looking forward to this case. It kind of looks nice. I hope they have a 90-degree motherboard mount. I reckon they will be nice. Simply because if you put a 90-degree, you can actually see the side of the graphic card. Especially if you have a nice EVGA hydrocopper GPU, you can see the nice logo that lights up. Actually looks nice. I actually like it, really do. As you can see, got a temperature sensor here, power button here, I believe. I wonder what this is at the back here though. I don't know what it actually opens up. But what it does, I don't know what it does. Looking forward to seeing this. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like for more. Thank you.